Hyundai Ioniq 6 wins Best Car Award from IIHS. After winning the 2023 World Car of the Year award, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 has once again received praise thanks to its advanced technology and safety features. This electric sedan recently received a prestigious award, namely Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, in the U.S. The Ioniq 6 is recognized as meeting the more stringent IIHS crashworthiness evaluation with a front crash prevention system designed to protect pedestrians both during the day and at night. Brian Latouf, as Global Chief Safety Officer of Hyundai Motor Company, said that with this award, his party has ensured that customer safety is paramount and is at the core of what his company has done so far. We are very proud that the Ioniq 6 2023 has won a significant safety award because this further strengthens Hyundai's efforts to become an industry leader in the IIHS awards, said Brian in his statement, Thursday, September 14. In this award, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 won Top Safety Pick Plus 2023, and achieved the highest score in the crash test on the driver's side overlap, front passenger side, as well as the updated side test. To earn this top rating, a vehicle's headlights must earn an acceptable or good, which is mandatory for all variants, and the front crash prevention system must earn an advanced or superior. In the updated side-by-side test, the Hyundai Ioniq 6 earned a rating of acceptable or adequate, and in the daytime pedestrian crash test, the vehicle was rated advanced or superior. The Hyundai Ioniq 6 has dimensions of 4,855 mm in length, 1,880 mm in width, 1,495 mm in height and a wheelbase of 2,950 mm. With this spacious size, the Ioniq 6 offers comfort for its users. In Indonesia, Hyundai only provides one variant, namely the Ioniq 6 all-wheel drive, AWD, which is expected to be able to compete with the Tesla Model 3 and Mercedes-Benz EQE sedan. Ioniq 6 is equipped with Hyundai Smart Sense features that provide safety for vehicle users, including Forward Collision Avoidance Assist 2, FCA2, Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist, BCA, Blind Spot View Monitor, BVM, Driver Attention Warning, DA, with Leading Vehicle Departure Alert, Lane Following Assist, LFA, Lane Keeping Assist, Line, Road Edge, LKL-R, Parking Collision Avoidance Assist Reverse, PCAR, Rear Cross Traffic Features Collision Avoidance Assist, RCCA, Rear Occupant Alert, ROA, Safe Exit Warning, SO, Smart Cruise Control, SCC, with Stop and Go function, and Surround View Monitor, SVM.